Garland Chrysanthemum is called differently in different parts of the world. I bought seeds from Daiso, a dollar shop in Osaka, 2 packages for $1. This is how the seeds look. There are so many seeds in one package. I got these brown containers from Daiso for $1. I fill half of the container with soil. And this green container I got from Konan for $2. I sowed seeds in both types of containers with different amount of soil, and they all give me the same result. This cultured soil is used for growing vegetables. It's my first time to grow Garland Chrysanthemum, and it's also the first time to grow in Japan. I found that Garland Chrysanthemum is very easy to grow. Seeds start to germinate within 1 week and started to grow day by day. Garland Chrysanthemum can grow between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is from March to July in Osaka. You should sow seeds 15 centimeters apart. And once Garland Chrysanthemum reaches 20 to 25 centimeters tall, then it's the best time to harvest. I used kitchen scraps as my fertilizer. Banana peel, eggshell, coffee ground, rice water, and more. Since I grow in containers and on balcony, I use my finger to check the soil before watering. How often I water really depends on the weather. Fortunately, my balcony receives full and direct sunlight of the day. So, I have never worried whether my plants receive enough sunlight or not. I love to harvest young leaves after 30 days with cut and come again. With this cutting, you can see the 2 new stems growing from the main stem. It means you can come back and harvest again. Garland Chrysanthemum can be used in stir-fry, hot pot, soup, and many more. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.